Kitang bunga natin.
Cutting the cake, the first task, the bride and groom perform jointly as a husband and wife. The first piece of cake is cut by the bride with the help of the groom. Alright, take the first slice, our beautiful bride, please. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman for our couple for their cake cutting ceremony. Alright, thank you so much, couple. And of course, after our cake cutting ceremony, the couple proceed to feeding one another from the first slice. It symbolizes the mutual commitment of bride and groom to provide for one another. Ito na, sabi nila ang cake ay nagsisimbolize ng sweetness and love. So groom, ito na, handa ka na bang kainin ang icing sa cake ni Levy?
Yeah!
Yeah, with gigil ang iya. At Levy, handa ka na bang kainin ang fondant sa cake ni James? Yes! Alright, umpisa na natin ang ating